Hi, we are InVision Systems. This video tutorial will show you how to change the batteries in your 2 gig wireless alarm devices. Just a quick reminder, please call the command center to put your alarm system on test before you begin changing your batteries. Pretty standard, you're going to need a screwdriver and of course your batteries. Let's take a look at our first device. This is the 2 gig wireless motion detector, usually mounted in corners or on walls. As you can see for this demonstration, I do not have it wall mounted, but it shouldn't prove too difficult to follow along with my video for your wall mounted device. What you're going to do is locate this screw up at the top here. This is what holds the faceplate onto the back mount. As you can see, I'm using a flathead, but it is a Phillips head screw. Flathead works just the same if that's what you got. Just be careful not to strip the screw. What you're going to do is push in and pull off. Try that again. Push in and pull up on that faceplate to dismount it from the mount. You locate your battery here. For this particular device, you are going to be looking at a CR123 A 3-volt lithium battery. They're available at any hardware or drugstore. Put in your new battery just like so and pop your faceplate back on. Now pay attention to the notches at the bottom of the device. You're going to want to make sure you line those up and start from the bottom to the top. Match those notches up on the bottom and snap it together like so. You'll replace your screw. Easy peasy. And there you have it, all done. Now our next device I'm going to show you is our Honeywell wireless door contact. There she is. These are mounted on walls and windows for your alarm system. What you're going to do is notice the notch at the top of the device. Again, these will be wall mounted, so it may be a little bit more difficult for you to maneuver and get to, but relatively simple if you can get to it pretty easily. You'll pop that notch in there, pop her right open, see the battery goes in there, and you will snap it closed much like you did the detector. Notice the notches at the bottom, line those up, start from the bottom and snap it at the top. And there you go, guys. That's how you change the batteries. Visit us at InVisionSystems.net to find out more about alarm systems, security cameras, and any other security needs you have. Check us out there. Also, hit that subscribe button to learn more tidbits on support